All right, now it's time to pack up and go home. So I'm just going to show you how to break down that tent nice and easy, strap it up, get it nice and small, and get it back in that bag. In preparation of breaking down your tent, you're going to want to do a couple things. Open your doors, open your big window, shut all your small windows, and then open up your floor about 25 to 30% of the way. All right, let's start pushing walls and just get it down. And for your roof, go ahead and find a door that you can step into and then push it down. All right, to fold up your tent the nicest way, find a logo side, come in, kind of push the walls in here like origami, and kind of start to pull the top corners in, and again, fold in from the centers, and again, fold in from the center. All right, at this point, you're going to want to grab the ends and just kind of fold them in and roll it. At this point, you grab your straps, start with one strap and lay it off to the side of the tent, logo up. So position the tent over the strap and try to position it to the fattest part of the tent is where the strap is. At this point, bring your strap over and try to roll the tent a little bit and use your knee. Body weight is key here. Get the first strap set. Once you've gotten that first strap on there kind of tight, grab your second strap and lay it out the same way that you did your first strap. Logo up into the side of the tent and go ahead and try to grab the next fattest part of the tent, which is usually about 6 to 8 inches above that first strap. So use the same technique as the last strap. Roll it as you pull. And at this point, you really want to crank it. Using your knee and body weight. Once you've done that second strap, go back to your first strap. You can actually remove it and move it to the next fattest part of the tent. Sometimes it's over, sometimes it's under. In this case, it's a little over. So go up here. Do the same technique, roll it as you pull. All right, now to fit it back in your OEM bag, lay it out next to your tent and put the pocket side, the side where the zipper doesn't go down the side of the tent, towards the skinnier part of the tent where the hubs are. At this point, just grab it, put it over. And just flap the tent into its bag. Then you have 2 Cobra clamps on here. Let's go ahead and clamp those down. Tighten those down. And that's that.